Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Delonghi Perfecta cappuccino espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up and we also replaced the water pump that you see right here. This water pump is from 2014 and it's been already running on the machine for quite a while. We replaced the brew unit, the one you see right here. This is the older one. And we descaled this machine, deep clean everything inside it, replace the gasket of the O-ring of the generator. Look at it right there, very noticeable. We also deep clean the door as well as the spouts and the insides of the spouts of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna then run some hot water from here and that's it. Right now I'm drying at the setting. So it's definitely going to be a lot of crema as we're using a very old coffee, the one you see right there. Perfect, welcome back. As you saw, there was a little bit drip coming out through the middle of the spouts, and that was because this one, as you can see, it was cracked in the middle and it was leaking. So we installed a newer one in there, and now we can redo our espresso shot. This time I increased the settings to the third one, and I put a little bit more coffee as well. So we should be able to see a better crema coming at the top of the espresso shot. Alright, as you can see, nice steady flow, no leaks coming out through the middle, as this one is not cracked and is brand new. 2 ounces of liquid, which is great. Give it a good cream as well, working perfectly fine. Now let's test the hot water side of this machine. Nice steady steam coming out of this one. Excellent temperature, working the way it's supposed to, working great. So there you have it, the Delonghi Perfecta cappuccino working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.